Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at is a Marx 999 that I repainted, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. And I was going to put the handrails back on it, and I realized that the front lens was missing. And that's really common on a lot of these 999s. You'll find them on eBay and the lens is gone. So I was going to buy one, and I priced the lenses, and they're about $5 a piece with $2.75 shipping. So figure $8 for that lens. So rather than do that, I found a really easy and simple replacement for that lens. So what I did is I got some clear epoxy, of course, mixed it up, took the shell, tilted it straight up, as you see, and filled that hole with clear epoxy. I put a piece of tape over the back of it, so it couldn't leak past that tape. Poured it in there, let it set for 10 minutes, and you have an instant replacement for the lens that comes out exactly the same color as the number board. So I just want to do a quick video of this. Focus the camera here, get this back on the rail. And like I said, I just couldn't see paying that much for one of those lenses, and I had thought of getting a lucite rod and making them. Then I thought, let's try the epoxy and see if it would work. And it does. So let's take this around. And you'll see as it comes around, it's exactly the same color as the number board. And you would never know that that is clear epoxy rather than the original plastic lens. It works absolutely perfectly. No muss, no fuss, and it doesn't cost anything at all. It takes about 10 minutes to do it, a piece of tape, and some clear epoxy. And of course, that'll last virtually forever now. It never gets touched, so it's never going to get broken. And as it ages, it may turn a bit amber, but it's already amber colored anyway because of the light bulb, as you see. So it's a really simple replacement for the original lens. And you can use this on any engine. You can do it on the 999, the 490, the 400, anything that just even has an open hole with no lens at all. It only takes a second to do this, and you basically just mix that epoxy up with a toothpick and then just drop it, or drip it actually, into the hole on the front of the locomotive with a piece of tape over the back so it can't escape. And get it full, let it set for 10 minutes, and you have an instant lens for the 999 or any other locomotive that's missing its lens. It's really simple to do this. The nice thing about it is it doesn't cost anything. And of course, if you do want to get it back out again, you can just drill a hole through it and then pop it back out of there. But this will be virtually permanent. It'll never come out. It'll never get lost. It'll never get broken. It's an integral part of the locomotive now. And it works, and it's very close, like I said, to the original color of the number board itself. So this works really well. It's really simple, and it doesn't cost anything. It works really well. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video of this. It's really simple, and these little tips, they come in handy, and it beats paying $7 and waiting 2 weeks for a lens to arrive when you can make one out of a few drops of epoxy and 10 minutes of your time. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.